Hi everyone, this is Asa Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, and for today we are here at Town and Country Subdivision, a boundary of Angeles and San Fernando. And behind me is this brand new modern contemporary bungalow house for sale. Very beautiful na. Ito napaka-modern, no? You have here a glass panel sa pinaka-bakod, kumbaga ng front ng property nyo. So nakikita nyo pa rin yung pinaka parang garden nyo doon sa loob. Then once we get inside, and by the way, this is your carport. So you have your single carport naman pagpasok. But it's a spacious one. Ayan. Tapos may pagka industrial look din yung bungalow. And as you can see, high ceiling talaga siya. So makikita nyo maluwag. Yan o, napakalaki kahit isang full-size vehicle tapos may ano ka pa. Ano kasi yun? Motorbike. And then dito, garden stone yung nilagay nila. And then right here is your access going to your service area. And then as well as yung, medyo nakatago yung condenser ng mga aircon na, which is a good thing. Kung, di ba yung iba, medyo nasa tapat na ng house. Ito, pwede nyo i-set up, pwede nyo patungan ng, artificial grass. Pero ngayon kasi, para mas madali i-maintain, yan muna yung nilagay nila. And then this one is your, from your carport, you have your, eto na yung pinaka main door talaga. Ayan, this one. Pero pagpasok nyo, swimming pool. So, kumbaga yung feeling ng swimming pool, indoor, but yung pinaka area kung nasan yung swimming pool is open pa rin siya. Kasi ito yung main door eh. Ayan, sarado. Ay, wag ko na isara. So, pagpasok nyo, you have your swimming pool, pero explore muna natin yung mga door dito. Oh, this is just your pump. Ito naman yung outdoor toilet and bath. Ganda! Tapos dito, meron kang bench. Siguro setup na lang dito ng table. Tapos kita nyo, pati yung wall ng pinaka swimming pool niya, mataas. So, hindi pa rin makikita sa neighbor. Tapos naka-stucco finish siya. Ang taas-taas niya. Parang villa type. Tapos, yung feeling na nasa vacation lang kayo everyday. Both side pala may bench type. So, dalawang sitting area yung pwedeng i-set up. And a decent size pool. Tapos mga nasa 5 feet. Hindi may mga staircase. Kasi ang ganda. Iba din yung style. Then once we enter, diba kaya parang indoor siya kasi yung pagitan para makapunta tayo sa pinaka common area is eto. Naka-sliding doors lang. Yan. And then open area. Connected lang lahat. You have your kitchen on this side. This will be siguro yung pinaka-dining table nyo. This is your dining area. Yeah, setup naman yung yung ceiling niya. Tapos connected siya dun sa swimming pool, which is perfect kahit lalo pag nagsa-celebrate kayo ng any occasion. And then this one, this corner is your living area. May entertainment wall. And may air condition unit na nakakasama. And then this side, first room. So, si first room natin yung nasa front ng property. Ang ganda pala dito ng view. Nakikita yung napakaganda yung walling. Cabinet. And then sa likod, your second aircon. Kasi itong room na to, I guess ito na yung primary bedroom. Alam niyo ba yung ginawa ko? Kasi di ko na naman tinignan. So, ito surprise for me. So, you have your cabinet na sa labas and then meron ka pa dito sa shower area. Your sink ay connected, no? Toilet and separate shower area. In fairness, ang laki. Kasi ang laki din naman kung saan nakatayo tong house na to. Ang laki ng lote. Then, diretso tayo dito. Tapos, another sliding doors. Ayan. Medyo may lang, one step. A little step is your dirty kitchen. Pero good thing pa rin. Masasara mo pa rin. Kung ayaw nyong naaamoy dyan sa loob. Tapos dito, ay siguro kay maid, maid's room na. Ayan. Tapos si maid's room, siya yung may access agad sa labas. Ayan. Well, actually, pag binuksan mo lahat ng door, especially doon kay helper natin, mahangin, pati dyan sa harap. Tapos punta ako dito. Siguro dito na yung burner. Tapos dito naman siguro could be your laundry area. Ayan, nakaabang naman. Tapos ang laki. Ang spacious pa rin. Laundry area. So we have another door. Sa likod naman. Oh! Pwede mag-garden dito. Mga herbs. Or pwedeng sampayan. Diba? Oh, bubuksan ko lang yung another door. Hangin na. So, this is 3 bedrooms. That's your first bedroom. Pag dumaan tayo sa formal kitchen nyo, ayan, napakaluwag. And unfurnished. Pero magugulat kayo sa presyo niya and sa lot size niya. It's huge. Sa likod ng formal kitchen nyo is your second bedroom. As well as yung ensuite niya. And, ang linis. Tapos very high ceiling. Ayan, a spacious rin. And we're missing 1 bedroom. And you have your third air-conditioned unit. Yeah. So yung third bedroom natin, which is your last bedroom for this house, is right this corner. This room is perfect for your guest. Kasi dito lang sila. May sarili silang buhay dito, especially if they wanna rest lang. So this is the room for them. Tapos siya yung may direct access sa swimming pool nyo. So kasha kahit queen size bed for this one. You have your cabinet naman. Fourth air-conditioned unit. And then your own toilet and bath. Ang ganda, iba din yung feeling. Yeah, that's it. Parang ang konti pero ang laki kasi ng lot size. So anyway, I'll give you a quick recap dito na lang. Ayan. This house is available for sale, a brand new one, single story with own swimming pool, just located at the boundary of Angeles and San Fernando. The house sits at 240 square meters for the lot area and you have 227 square meters for your floor area. This is 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. You have your maid's room with own toilet and bath as well. And you have your own swimming pool. And the house comes unfurnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Salsa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.